And if you guys want to see this lock one more time as a whole one, you know, this is it. Looks like a squid kind of.
You can see it's not even. So I want to even out the wicks. They're even at the back. So figured now's the time to do it. So this is how I'm doing it. Shout outs to Tory Lanes. I'm taking about a foot off, which is about even with where these are at right now. There's 6 dreads in total that I'm gonna chop straight across, and then I'm gonna layer them after. Right, so essentially I'm going straight across right here. And if you guys want to see this lock one more time as a whole one, you know, this is it. Looks like a squid kind of. It's crazy. It's gonna feel a lot lighter with the foot of it off though. For sure. And it's gonna leave me with some 2 cool little shorter dreads at the back here. So remember what Damian Marley says. We grow our locks. Our locks don't grow us. So we have to trim them to make sure that we're still comfortable with them, and we're not feeling like we have to grow them, and we're being owned to grow them. I'm ready for it. I hope you're ready for it. So thanks for staying with me, guys. But this has definitely been needed. Woo! It's definitely been needed. There's some buildup in there. Wow. Ah. I'm gonna try and cut them on different angles, not just straight across. So there's another one. And I don't think this is a sign of me saying I'm bored of my locks, because this is a move that I've anticipated since last year. So it's not to say that I'm bored with these. Don't expect me to cut them all off anytime soon, because that's not what's gonna happen. I'm going on an angle again, not just straight across. Crazy. I'm kind of staggering the cuts now. Could leave. Oh, this one is a double here. Angled again, angle on an angle. Not just straight, never just straight across. Like even that already like looks, it feels a lot better. Except this one. I want to cut this one down to I'm gonna keep it showing that there was a double tail here. Like a split tail. Wow, it looks crazy. Hey, that looks sick. I love it. Now they're even too. You know, this is my wicks here. Natural wicks now. Before this was a crocheted wick. Pretty straight. Angle it a bit more. Boom. Now I got a big wick that can grow back out real long. So those are my two nape dreads here. It's a really good length actually. They still don't sit. That's sick. I can even tie them. Hey, all in all, I think that was a good idea. No regrets on that. I feel lighter already. Oh, so much lighter. That was needed. Check out all the hair in the sink now, though. Crazy.